Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the rich, spicy, and incredibly flavorful world of Sri Lankan cuisine. We're making a classic Sri Lankan-style pork curry, a dish that's packed with bold spices, tender meat, and a whole lot of love. So, let's get started. First, let's gather all the ingredients you'll need. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. 500 g pork, shoulder or belly, cut into cubes, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, minced, 1 inch ginger, minced, 2 to 3 green chilies, slit, 1 sprig curry leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 cardamom pods, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon roasted curry powder, Sri Lankan style, 1 teaspoon chili powder, adjust to taste, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 cup thick coconut milk, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons oil. 2. Preparing the pork. Start by washing the pork pieces thoroughly and draining them well. You can marinate the pork with a little salt, turmeric, and vinegar for about 15 to 20 minutes if you have time, but this step is optional. 3. Cooking the base. Now, let's heat up some oil in a pan. Add the mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then, toss in the fenugreek seeds, cinnamon stick, cardamom pods, and cloves. These spices are the heart of Sri Lankan flavors. Next, add the chopped onions, garlic, ginger, and curry leaves. Sauté until the onions turn golden brown and aromatic. 4. Adding the pork. Now, it's time to add the pork. Stir it well so that the meat gets coated with all those amazing spices. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the pork starts to brown slightly. 5. Adding the spice powders. Once the pork is nicely browned, add the roasted curry powder, chili powder, and turmeric. Mix everything well so the pork is evenly coated with the spices. 6. Simmering the curry. Now, add a little water, just enough to cover the pork. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let it simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes. This slow cooking process will make the pork super tender and flavorful. 7. Adding coconut milk. Once the pork is tender and the gravy has thickened, pour in the thick coconut milk. Stir gently and let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes. The coconut milk adds a creamy richness that balances out the spices perfectly. 8. Final touches. Finally, add the slit green chilies for a little extra kick. Give it a taste and adjust the salt if needed. And that's it. Your Sri Lankan-style pork curry is ready. 9. Plating and serving. Look at this beauty. Serve this delicious pork curry with steamed rice, roti, or even string hoppers. It's the ultimate comfort food that'll transport you straight to Sri Lanka. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes like this. Let me know in the comments if you tried out. I'd love to hear how it turns out. Until next time, happy cooking!